This is a quick demo on how to set up the voice broadcast dialer for the first time. First of all, you want to select your server that you're supposed to be logging into, your email address that you signed up with, and your password. Hit I agree and submit. You see in the upper left hand corner the balance you have on your dialer, the create voice broadcast button in the upper right hand corner, and lower right you'll see the set database fields. Click on set database fields. You enter in the database fields that's in your spreadsheet that you're going to be uploading. This is the header row, which is the top row of your spreadsheet. In this case, I'm going to add a name to it, so we have that in our system. You just type in the name that you want to put in there and hit add field. As you see, it pops over to the left. Hit save properties. This adds the database fields to your system. Now we have that done, go to create voice broadcast. First of all, we want to put a name for our campaign. I'm going to put in master. You can put a description in here if you like. The caller ID name that you want the people to see on the phone, and the caller ID for the account. This has to be a valid phone number. The system's preset with never call before and never call after. You can change this if you want. This does call according to the time zone of the phone number you're calling. Go to options. Max agents, you leave it 0. Transfer back to number. This is a phone number you want the system to call you back at when somebody pushes 1 to transfer back to you. If you have a backup number in case that phone number is busy, put in the backup number. If you don't, put the same number in there twice. Our dial rate dials as slow as 240 calls an hour and as high as 2,500 calls an hour. Answer machine detection just detects whether it's an answer machine or a live person. If you want to leave a message on the answer machine, check this box. If you don't want to leave a message on the answer machine, leave it unchecked. Wait for silence. Most people don't use this because it does great for answer machines, but does not do so great for live people. Transfer on other digits. This means if they push any button on that phone, it's transferring back to your office no matter what your message says. Record on transfers. This does exactly what it says. It's recording all the calls that are transferred to you. The next 2 buttons you'll probably never use. Go to keys. Of course, if our message says that we want that push 1 to transfer back to our office, you want to put transfer key to 1. If your message says that you have a do not call key, put that number in there. Leave a message key you'll never use. Hit create voice broadcast. As you can see, this pops up your file. You have your caller ID numbers over here and transfer back 2 numbers. To add the files to your campaign, hit the plus button. You're going to load a CSV file, so hit go. Find your load your CSV file, go to where your file is stored at, open up that file. As you can see, the file pops up here with the header row right here with the stuff that you want to map. Since we've already put our parameters in, we can hit auto assign. As you can see, the ones that matched up automatically came in. If there's still choose a field, we want to go down to what name we want to be with that field and select that and put that in. Our system's predetermined with prevent duplicate phone numbers in file, which means it won't upload the same number twice. Scrub against your do not call list, which is an independent call list. All you have to do is hit I'm allowed to call these phone numbers. Come over to the right and hit upload. As it says here, it could take up to 10 minutes to load your file depending on how busy the server is. Earlier in the morning, a lot of people are uploading, so it might take a little bit of time. Call us if it is more than 10 minutes. We'll check in the system and see what's going on. Close that. Now we need to upload our message. So we hit upload on the arrow for the message. As you see, I have one in here already. I want to add another message for my voicemail message. So I hit add sound file. I want to name it. And I can put a description in there if I want to. I can upload by a WAV file or record over the phone. If I hit record over the phone, it's going to ask for a phone number. That's a direct dial phone number. And you type in the phone number that you want to put in there, and it'll call you on there and you record your message. If I want to do a WAV file, I hit select WAV file, go find my WAV file that I already have on my desktop, and I hit open, and I hit add sound file. As you can see, it uploaded. So now I want to attach my first message for my broadcast, which is live people, and set as voicemail message. I hit the second one. and then I hit copy sound file. As you can see now, I have a check mark here, which before I had a yellow triangle. It's ready to go. All I have to do is hit play. Now, to check to make sure I did everything right and everything sounds correctly, I can send myself a test call by hitting send test call. Type your phone number in here, and it'll call you, and you can listen to your message, and also push 1 to transfer back to your office to make sure everything's going through. We do suggest you do a test call first before you push play. Anytime you want to stop it, just hit the pause button. If you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can speed it up or slow it down right here. Or you can go into your pencil, which edit properties, and go to your options and change your dial rate right here and speed it up and slow it down. That's all there is to setting up your dialer for the first time. If you have any questions, give us a call at TMAX Dialer. Have a great day.